How to remove a YouTube account from a TV using your phone. If you want to remove your YouTube account from a TV using your phone, you can do so by managing linked devices through your Google account or directly through the YouTube app. Here's how. Method 1. Remove via YouTube settings on your phone. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your phone. Access settings. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Watch on TV. Manage connected devices. You'll see a list of TVs or devices linked to your account. Tap the Remove or Unlink option next to the TV you want to disconnect. Confirm removal. Confirm the action, and the YouTube account will be unlinked from the TV. Method 2. Remove linked devices via Google account. Open your Google account. Go to myaccount.google.com on your phone's browser or Google app. Sign in with the account linked to YouTube. Go to Security Settings. Navigate to Security Your Devices. Manage linked devices. Tap Manage Devices to view all devices where your account is signed in. Sign out from TV. Find the TV in the list and select Sign Out or Remove Access. Confirm the action. The TV will be removed from your YouTube account. Method 3. Use a TV code to disconnect. Optional. If the TV was connected using a code, access the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Go to Settings. Navigate to Settings. Watch on TV linked with TV code. Remove the connection. Select Unlink TV or Remove Device to disconnect. By following these methods, you can easily remove your YouTube account from a TV using your phone.